Hey guys, it's Lisa with Creative Virtue Crafts. You like my little Sarah Palin look going on today? So today we are going to do a DIY tutorial on the Let Freedom ring rounds. So we have two different designs. Of course, you can design them any way you want, but we're going to show you how we did these. If you haven't gotten your DIY kit yet, they're available at creativevirtuecrafts.com. Go under the tab that says More, then under the tab that says DIY, and you can find them there. We'll ship them right to you, and you can have a paint party. You can relax and do it by yourself, and it's a great way to celebrate Memorial Day weekend, 4th of July, or just proud to be an American. So let's get started on that tutorial, and I'll check back with you. Before we send you your DIY kit, we have to cut it first. So we use our laser cutter. Each piece is precise every time, the same exact size. So if you ever want to order a second one for a friend or a gift, or if you want to have a paint party, let us know. You can order them online, like I said earlier, creativevirtuecrafts.com. And they are under DIY. Well, more than DIY. So let's go ahead and see the cutting process, and then we're going to get started. We're going to paint is our red and white stripes. Now if you notice the sign at the bottom of your screen, the stars were laid out a little bit first, and a line was drawn around the stars to figure out exactly where we wanted the blue to go. The one at the top of your screen, those stripes were just painted without worrying about exactly where the blue was going to be. Also, the one at the top painted red, white, red, white, red, white, when the one at the bottom painted red stripes and then went back and painted white stripes. You can do it however you want. This video will show you a little bit about how that'll turn out.
I started singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Them good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye and singing, this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die. Now for 10 years we've been on our own, and moss grows fat on a rolling stone, but that's not how it used to be. When the jester sang for the king and queen in a coat he borrowed from James Dean, and a voice that came from you and me. Oh, and while the king was looking down, the jester stole his thorny crown. The courtroom was adjourned.
Okay, while our stripes are drying, let's go ahead and paint our letters, and we're just using black folk art. As always, we love folk art paint. It does great coverage, and it just does the job well for us. We really like it. So we're going to go ahead and paint the letters. Use whatever color you'd like, but as I said, we're using black.
Baby, is it spring or is it summer? The guitar sound or the beat of that drummer you hear sometimes late at night on your radio. Even though you're a million miles away, when you hit on in a USA, you relive those glory days so long ago. When you think about me, do you think about 17? Do you think about my OG? Think about the stars in the sky. Funny how a melody sounds like a memory, like a soundtrack to a July Saturday night.
As the red and white need a little while to dry before we throw the blue on there, we're going to go ahead and paint our stars white. Now you may notice in your kit 2 of the stars are cut on the sides, and that's so they fit perfectly against your round. You just need to slide them up and down your round until you figure out exactly where you want to place them. So let's go ahead and paint our stars white.
Americana, pictures of a people proud and free. Americana, I'll keep holding to the dream. You're still what living means to me. Americana, pictures of a people proud and free.
The red and white is good and dry now, so we can go ahead and apply our blue. Again, we're using a blue from Folk Art Paint. We just love folk art. So let's get the blue going. Okay, once everything is good and dry, and I mean completely dry, go ahead and take a piece of sandpaper, and that's if you want to rough up your flag, and rub it all over, especially in the places that you want to look more distressed. You don't have to distress your flag, but we did distress ours. Once you're done with the sandpaper, as you'll see, we took a baby wipe and just wiped over it lightly. Don't rub too hard, and it takes the dust off from the sanding. Also, if you need to touch up any places, now is the time after the sanding to go ahead and see what you need to touch up. You may need to let it dry again and sand some more if you feel like that's the look you're going for. As you'll see, the one in the top of your screen, she took off a little more blue than the one in the bottom of the screen, but that's okay, whichever way you want to do it. Also, the one on the bottom of the screen, some of the red and white blended together and it looked a little pink, so you'll see that one gets touched up at the end of the video also. So have fun, start sanding.
You see, my fiddle was my daddy's till the day he died. He took me by the hand, held me close to his side. He said, live a good life, play your fiddle with pride, and thank God you're a country boy. Yeah, my daddy taught me young, not a hut, not a widow. Taught me how to work and play a tune on the fiddle. Taught me how to love, how to give just a little. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me a fiddle. The sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Woo! I thank God I'm a country boy.
Now it's time to place all of your pieces where you think that you would like them to go. And then we go back and glue each piece. It's important to place them first so you don't end up crowding your words and to make sure everything fits on your round.
When the sun starts slipping from the delta sky and the last scarecrow tucks in for the night, make a fire, throw a blanket on the sandy bank. About an hour till we feel the first catfish yank. Barefoot cane pole waving at the riverboats, and when they're gone, take a dip in the moon glow. That's what country is. It ain't a rebel flag you bought at the mall. It's a hideaway bed in an old horse stall. 2 kids getting caught stealing a Boone's Farm kiss. It ain't a John Deere cat that's never fell in the cotton. It's a Jimmy Rogers song that was long forgotten. It's homemade peach ice cream on sunburned lips. That's what country is.
Thank you everybody for joining in and watching this DIY on the Let Freedom Ring round. Again, if you want to order your DIY kit, it's at creativevirtuecrafts.com under the More tab and then DIY kits. You can also follow us on Facebook at Creative Virtue Crafts. You can follow us on Pinterest, and on Pinterest, there's no S on the end. Then you can also follow us on Instagram, Creative Virtue Crafts, and we actually also have a YouTube channel for DIY. You can find all the links on our Facebook page, and I want to thank you again. One other thing, if you register or subscribe on our website, you will get exclusive coupons and offers that aren't available to anybody else except for website subscribers. So jump over to the website and fill out that form. Thank you. Have a great day.